quick demo of panel and cone removal now that we have the magnetic mounts. You'll see we have one mount here, one mount here. They actually sort of self-guided into the correct position. We also still keep the screws on the panel, and that will lock right in with the extrusion. So you basically just line up and it pops right in. And it's pretty satisfying. Works really well. Clicky clacky. Love it. I'm probably going to want to put some sort of maybe a finger pull or something here just so it's a little easier to grab. But we'll do that sort of in an invisible fashion so it doesn't affect the actual visual look. When you want to remove the cone, you just pull that right off and it just comes right out. Right back in. Easy peasy. And that's it.